Undergraduate research enhanced my ability at WashU to explore and combine my interests because I always loved history, but I'm a political science major. And I always wanted to combine those two, where I like the data and I like elections and the way politics work, but I'm also, I think at my core, most interested in narrative. Same with history, that's sort of a narrative thing, and political science is a little different. And the undergraduate research office allowed me to combine the two by taking a political topic and using historical context to sort of craft a narrative, using the two skills that I've developed in the classroom and also my, personal reading and interest. I had a sort of large idea in my head, just, okay, FDR, and that's basically it. It wasn't even necessarily Congress. And then the Office of Undergraduate Research sort of helped me hone that and sort of focus it. So by the time the summer came, I was ready to go as opposed to ready to start thinking about it. So between an application where I had to tighten it into about a page and say, this is what I'm going to do, this is how I'm going to do it, this is why it's important. These were questions I didn't know the answer to, that I was sure, or I was hoping I'd figure out along the way. But I think them sort of making sure that I had all that clear before I started was able to get me going a lot faster once the summer began, and it helped me definitely give me a lot of guidance before I even started, which I think is key. I don't really know what it's like at other schools aside from what I've heard from friends, but just understand that they have a lot more barriers to getting to sort of the power and freedom to do their own independent research, where at WashU it's not easy, but you're able to make it happen just by being interested as opposed to being a senior or meeting this kind of people and professors. And whenever or wherever you might find your passion, you're going to be able to explore it thoroughly here. You sort of look at professors and the authors of the articles you're reading in class and say, wow, that's such a faraway thing, and I could never write that, or they know so much more than I do. And obviously your professors are incredibly knowledgeable, but you have something to say too. So I think that's a big part, not just with research, but at WashU in general, with the smaller classes. Like, you do the readings, you're encouraged to participate. So you have a voice, you have an opinion, and I think research is a logical continuation of that, where you've taken what you've learned in class, or on your own you say, I'm going to take it one step further. And I think you don't have to know exactly where it ends, so I don't think anyone should shy away from research because they're not exactly sure where the end point is. If you knew the ending, there would be no point of doing it.